Hello everybody, my name is Jameson Greene, and today I'm going to be demonstrating to you guys on how to heel toe shift in a manual transmission. Alright, so first off, we're going to start with the basics of a manual transmission. You have three pedals. You have A, the accelerator or gas, B, the brake, and C, the clutch. So what the clutch does is it disengages the rotating part of the engine from the transmission, so you can shift through different gears. And so you start in first, obviously, and when you're normal shifting, you put the clutch in, release the gas, and shift into a new gear. And then you release the clutch and put in the gas once it goes down to a lower RPM. And so when you're stopping, you can, if you want to, downshift. And that is the process. Instead of going up the gears from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, that's the process of going from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that looks a little bit different. So here is what your feet would normally look like while you're driving. Your foot is off the clutch and you're using the accelerator. And when you downshift, normally, just in everyday driving, you would start by 1, depressing the clutch, 2, revving the engine to a higher RPM to match the speed of the lower gear, and then 3, releasing the clutch. And so there are a couple differences between this standard downshifting and heel-toe downshifting. If you can, I'm sure you can tell that you aren't using the brake at all. You're solely relying on the engine to slow you down. And so if we take a look at heel-toe shifting, you use your right foot at the same time on the brake and the gas. So you would start by first braking with your toe, second using the clutch, using your heel while still braking to rev the engine up, and then releasing the clutch when you're at the higher RPM. And so the differences between these are obviously you slow down a lot quicker when you heel toe shift because you're using the brake while downshifting. And the advantages to using this is you spend less time downshifting, and so it'll save you gas potentially. And in a racing environment, once you stop braking, you'll already be in the gear that you need to. And the reason that you don't use standard downshifting while trying to go fast is because you want to minimize the time that you are braking. So by combining the downshifting and braking all into one, you can make that into a much smaller space. And so say you're going into a corner, you would go from, say, fourth to third into second, and then as soon as you get out of the corner, then you can give it the gas and accelerate out of the corner much faster than you would be able to if you were to downshift before you started braking. All right, that is how you downshift in a manual transmission. Thank you so much.